Hey y'all, I'm Patty and I'm the face behind the hands of Little Red Southern Kitchen. Back in July was my 3-year anniversary and I wanted to do a giveaway, but it just wasn't in the cards. It also coincided with 2,000 subs. Well, I'm doing my giveaway today, now, and I've got 2,200 subs, so here's the deal for the giveaway. You must be a subscriber. It's going to end next Sunday, October 4th. And I will do the random comment picker. Just comment on this video on something maybe you'd like me to do. Some video you'd like me to do. If you've got a favorite food, maybe I'd like to try it too. Comment on this and be a subscriber. And I'll do the random comment picker at noon next Sunday. And I will post it at 2 o'clock. And you have 48 hours to respond. I'll give you the email address that you need to respond to. Once you respond, you'll get your $50 I'm sorry, I didn't even tell you what it was. It's going to be an Amazon, $50 Amazon gift card. But it's going to be immediate because I'll do it. It's going to be an e-gift card, so you would be able to get it and use it immediately as soon as you respond.
As soon as you respond. I mean, everybody that responds gets one.
To whoever the winner. Shut up, boy.
What's it?
I want to thank you all for being with me throughout these 3 years. It's been a great ride. It's been wonderful. We've had some ups and downs, but 2,200 subscribers, I'm proud of myself. I want to thank you all who got me here. I've got a lot of friends that I've made through YouTube that are great fellow channels, fellow content creators, just wonderful. And once again, I do thank y'all for everything. As me and Tony, my husband back there, my video man, we have a lot of fun on here. So once again, I thank you. And like I said, it's going to end at noon Eastern Standard Time next Sunday, October the 4th. And I'll do the random comment picker, and I'll post it at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You must be a subscriber and leave me a comment below on this video of things you'd like to see. Maybe a favorite southern food you have. Or if you want to find me to try a different food, that's great. If I can find a recipe for it, I will sure do it for you. And I'll give you a shout out too. Like I said, once I announce the winner, you have 48 hours to respond. And you can be responding to lilredsouthernkitchen at Gmail, which I'll leave all that on the winner's announcement video. And you have 48 hours, which will be 2 p.m. on the 6th Eastern Standard Time. I thank y'all for joining me. I want y'all to share this out on your social media. Give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment. Alright guys, I love y'all so much. Thank y'all. Bye.
Bye-bye.